Let's start with a simple but important question. Given a whole number like 7,789, how many digits does it have? The answer here is 4. It looks obvious to our eyes, but how do we make a computer count them one by one? Here is the trick. When we do integer division by 10, the last digit simply falls off the end. 7,789 becomes 778, then 77, then 7, then 0. So we just keep dividing by 10 and count how many steps it takes to reach 0. That count is the number of digits. We start a counter at 0. Then, while the number is still bigger than 0, we add 1 to our counter and chop off the last digit using integer division by 10. When the number finally becomes 0, every digit has been counted, so we return the count. Now let's build it for real in a live editor one block at a time. First, the function and a counter starting at 0. We haven't counted any digits yet. Then the loop. While the number is still positive, we count one digit and divide by 10 to drop the last one. And once the number hits 0, we return how many digits we counted. Now let's test it and hit run. And there it is. 7,789 has 4 digits, 5 has 1, and 100 has 3. Try your own number and watch it count. Here is the whole shape of it. We start the count at 0. While the number is still positive, we add 1 to the count, divide by 10, and loop back. When it reaches 0, we return the count. How fast is this? Each step removes 1 digit, so the number of steps equals the number of digits. A number with d digits takes d steps, and the digit count grows like the logarithm of the number. So this is order log n time using just one counter. Order 1 space. 3 things to remember. First, always use integer division, the double slash, so we stay with whole numbers. Second, 0 is a little special. By this loop it gives 0, but we usually say 0 has 1 digit, so handle that if it matters. And third, for negative numbers, count the digits of the absolute value. Get these right, and you have it.